Hello everyone, this is Granny Star. You can use this Granny Star as Christmas ornament, and you can also use it to decorate your gifts. You can make a long chain of these stars and make bunting to decorate your room. I used a bigger crochet hook for this very lightweight yarn, and you can see how light and airy this star is. This granny star may look complicated, but all you need to know is double crochet and chain. And I will post a link to my granny Pentagon because it follows the same pattern. So we will use the skills we learned in our Granny Pentagon to make this beautiful star. I'm using 2.5 crochet hook for this yarn. Use whatever scrap of yarn you are hiding and make these beautiful stars and enjoy decorating your house. So I have made slip knot, and now I am going to chain 5. Join first and last stitch and chain 3. In this space, I hope you can see this space, this tiny bit of space will make 5 clusters. Our star has 5 legs, so we'll make 5 clusters. This is my first cluster. I'll make 3 chains and next cluster. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So chain 3 and join with the first chain 3. This is what our star looks like after first round. As you can see from this sample, after first round we doubled our clusters. In each space we have made 2 clusters. To start next round, we'll slip stitch into the next corner. We are not going to turn our work for this star. Normally we turn our work and start next round, but today we are not. So chain 3 for the first cluster and 2 more double crochets to complete chain 3. Chain 1 above a cluster, and in the next chain 3 space we'll again make 2 clusters, 1 cluster, chain 3 and second cluster, above a cluster, chain 1 and next space. In this way we will finish our round. So take your time, pause the video and finish your round. We are now in the last chain 3 space and our second round will be completed. Chain 3, remember to chain 1 and then join with the first chain 3 to finish your round. This is what our star looks like after 2 rounds. Now we will start the last round. Again we will slip stitch to this chain 3 space. We cannot start here because then we will have to turn our work. We are keeping just one side pretty for our ornament. In the corner you will make 3 chains as your first double crochet, 2 more double crochets to finish the cluster, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets for your corner. After finishing your cluster, you will make 1 chain and come to this chain 1 space and make a single crochet here. Chain 1 and go to this next chain 3 space and make 3 double crochets. Two and 3, chain 3 and next cluster, chain 1 and in this chain 1 space we'll make single crochet, chain 1 and next chain 3 space. Let's have a look at our star after finishing this cluster, this corner. 2 and 3 and chain 1. This is what it looks like after 2.5 rounds. Let's finish it and see our star. We made chain 1 and now we will make single crochet in this chain 1 space and chain 1. chain 1 and next chain 3 space. One good thing about making your own ornaments and decoration for your gifts is that you can get rid of your scrap yarn. All those tiny bits that you can't decide what to do, you can use them in these ornaments. This is the last chain 3 space. After making single crochet and making 1 chain, now I am in the last space, last corner. This is our last chain 1 space, so we will not make a cluster, we will make just 1 single crochet, chain 1 and join with this first chain 3. So this is what our star looks like after 3 rounds. You can either cut your yarn here or you can make a little chain so that you can use that chain to hang your ornament. Let's make a little chain so that you can use it to hang it on your tree, or if you are making bunting, then even then you will need a bit of chain. I'll come to the corner and then make my chain. So if you are making bunting, then of course you'll make chain couple of inches long. This is my star that I had already made, and then you'll join them together. I have already made this tiny bit of chain, so I'll join these two. I'll just slip stitch into the, let's slip stitch in this corner and join them. You can make a lot of stars, granny stars, using whatever scrap yarn you have, and then join them by making chain and slip stitch. So I will recommend that you make at least 5-6 stars at one time and then use chain and slip stitch to join them together. If you are using it as bunting, but if you are using them as ornament, just hanging on your tree, or using them as decoration for your gifts, then of course you do not need to make chain. You just need to cut your yarn, bind off and weave in the ends. So these are our granny stars. You can also see the difference. Though the yarn was same, I used different crochet hooks and there is quite a lot of difference between them. It's quite smaller than the other one. Anyway, so here is the final look of our granny star. I hope you have a lot of fun making this lovely motif, lovely block, and use it in your Christmas decorations. Till then, take care.